Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that can have a significant impact on your financial well-being: multiple income streams. We'll explore the benefits of diversifying your income and share some ideas on how you can create additional revenue streams. Let's get started. In today's ever-changing economy, relying solely on a single source of income may not provide the financial security and flexibility we desire. That's where multiple income streams come into play. Having diverse sources of income can help you weather economic downturns, accelerate your savings, and achieve your financial goals faster. So, let's explore the advantages and some practical ideas to build multiple income streams. There are several benefits to having multiple income streams. Firstly, it can provide a safety net in case one source of income is affected, such as a job loss or market downturn. Secondly, it offers an opportunity to increase your overall earnings and grow your wealth more rapidly. Additionally, it allows you to explore your passions, talents, and interests outside of your primary job. Lastly, multiple income streams can provide a sense of freedom and financial independence. Now, let's dive into some practical ideas for creating additional revenue streams. One way to generate an additional income stream is through freelancing or consulting. If you have marketable skills or expertise in a specific field, you can offer your services on a freelance basis. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com provide platforms to connect freelancers with clients seeking their skills. Consulting is another avenue, where you can provide specialized knowledge or advice to individuals or businesses in your industry. The rise of the internet has opened up countless opportunities for starting an online business or e-commerce venture. You can create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or software. Alternatively, you can set up an online store and sell physical products. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon provide user-friendly tools to help you get started with minimal upfront investment. Investing in real estate can be an effective way to generate passive income through rental properties. You can purchase residential or commercial properties and earn regular rental income from tenants. Alternatively, you can explore the growing trend of short-term rentals through platforms like Airbnb, where you can rent out a spare room, vacation home, or investment property for extra income. Investing can be a powerful income-generating strategy. By putting your money to work in stocks, bonds, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or dividend-paying stocks, you can earn passive income through capital appreciation, dividends, or interest. It's important to conduct thorough research or seek professional advice to make informed investment decisions. Creating multiple income streams can provide financial stability, accelerate your wealth-building journey, and offer the freedom to pursue your passions. Remember, building additional income streams takes time, effort, and dedication. Start by exploring your skills, interests, and opportunities in the market. Be open to learning and adapting as you go. Thanks for watching, and we hope these ideas inspire you to take action towards creating multiple income streams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth building. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep diversifying your income streams.